Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. And hey, I'm outside looking at the pool here at the beautiful Selene Luxury Residences in Uptown Dallas. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous pool. This is on the fourth floor, by the way. You can see some really unusual furniture. You just don't see this kind of high quality furniture typically on a pool deck, but you do here. Wow, what a great, great area. I also love these cabanas that are here. They're very special and stunning. I also love these, just the way the pool looks. This is awesome. The pool is delightful. It's kind of just gently curved. This is probably about 80 feet, is my guess, about 80 feet long. I love the chairs are in the water over there too. Those are beautiful. I love all the fountains. And more cabanas are over here. And then you do have a nice grilling area here too. It's in this circular area, very nice grilling. So two grills that are here. That's very special. So I love seeing that as well. Beautiful pool area. It's a stunning, gorgeous pool area, and I sure love the views that we have here as well. This is great. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below, and we will get back with you. We'll answer those questions. I'll personally answer them actually, and I can also set up that virtual or live in-person tour that you need, and I'll do that super quickly. I look forward to hearing from you, and this is Grant. Hey, we're about to go film the gym. Let's go see the gym right now.